In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run onboarding and customer success in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to refine your current setup, this guide will help you navigate through the essential steps to optimize your customer support processes. Let's begin. First things first, open up HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. This might sound basic, but it's a crucial step to access all the features we're going to cover. Now, once you're all set, we'll head on over to the trial guide. This tool is incredibly useful as it houses all the resources you'll need to kick off your form building process. So, take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's available here. It's a real treasure trove of information designed to streamline your workflows. Now, let's get started on your HubSpot homepage. From here, click on the CRM option. It's likely one of the main tabs at the top of your screen. With CRM open, your next stop is the Tickets section. This will be your primary hub for managing customer interactions. Once you're in the Tickets area, you'll spot a drop-down labeled All Pipelines. Go ahead and click on this drop-down. This is where you'll find the Support Pipeline, a key feature that allows you to handle your customer service tasks with precision. Now, within the Support Pipeline, you'll notice that it's ripe with opportunities to refine it further to better suit your needs. You'll have the ability to edit the existing statuses or even add new ones. These represent the various stages of your customer support process, from initial inquiry to resolution. Take some time here to think about how you want your customer support workflow to look. Customizing these stages ensures that they align well with how you track and manage customer inquiries. It's all about creating a process that works best for you and your team. Feel free to explore these configurations at your leisure. It's worth mentioning that getting this right is crucial to effectively managing your customer interactions and providing top-notch support. Once you're satisfied with your changes and they effectively represent the workflow you envision, it's time to save your work. Simply click the Save button. This step is vital to ensure none of your thoughtful customizations are lost. And that's it. By following these steps, you've set up a platform that not only helps you manage customer service more efficiently, but also enhances your ability to provide exceptional support to your clients. Remember, the key to success in HubSpot is regularly refining and revisiting your setup to meet the evolving needs of your team and customers. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.